How do I add a new device to my Apple account?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to cover an important topic for all Apple users out there: how to add a new device to your Apple account. Whether you've just bought a new iPhone, iPad, or Mac, or you're just trying to link your devices better, this guide is for you.
What do you need?
Before we begin, make sure you have the following. 1. The Apple device you want to add. 2. Your Apple ID and password. 3. A stable internet connection. These are crucial in successfully adding a new device to your Apple account.
How to sign into your Apple ID on iOS devices.
For iPhones, iPads, and iPod Touch, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Tap on the top banner, which displays your name and picture if you've set one. 3. If you see Sign in to your iPhone or iPad, tap it and enter your Apple ID and password. 4. Follow the on-screen steps to set up iCloud, App Store, iMessage, Find My, and more services. With these steps, you've just added your iOS device to your Apple account.
How to sign into your Apple ID on macOS.
If you're setting up a Mac, here's what to do. 1. Open System Preferences by clicking the Apple menu at the top left of your screen, then selecting System Preferences. 2. Click Apple ID. 3. If you're asked to sign in, enter your Apple ID and password. 4. Select the features and settings you want to use with this account. By doing so, you've added your Mac to your Apple account.
Verifying your new device.
After you've signed in on your device, it should now be listed in your account. To verify this, 1. Visit apply.apple.com on a web browser. 2. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. 3. In the Devices section, you should now see your new device listed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new device to your Apple account. This will enable you to make the most of the Apple ecosystem, syncing your data across devices, and ensuring you can access your information whenever and wherever you need it. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.